Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into how you can enjoy the blocky world of Minecraft right on your Fire TV. It's a fantastic way to experience the game on a bigger screen. There are primarily two main methods we'll explore. One involves directly installing the game, and the other uses your mobile device to project it. Both offer unique advantages, and we'll walk through each step by step to get you building and exploring in no time. Let's get started. Sideloading is a popular way to get Minecraft directly onto your Fire TV. You'll need to find a trusted source for the Minecraft APK file first. After downloading, head into your Fire TV settings to allow installations from unknown sources. Then, simply use a File Manager app, which you can download from the Amazon App Store, to navigate to your downloaded APK and install it. This process usually takes just a few minutes to complete. Casting Minecraft from your phone or tablet is another excellent option. Make sure both your mobile device and your Fire TV are on the same wireless network. Then, simply open Minecraft on your phone or tablet. Look for your device's screen mirroring or cast option, which is usually found in the Quick Settings menu. Select your Fire TV from the list, and your game should appear on the big screen, ready for play. To enhance your Minecraft experience, we highly recommend using a Bluetooth game controller. It offers far better control than the standard Fire TV remote. Always ensure your Fire TV has enough free storage, typically at least 100 megabytes, for the game and updates. Keeping your Fire TV's software up to date can also prevent many common issues. For casting, a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for smooth, uninterrupted gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.